What if I told you that you could have over 1.5 acres, no HOA, a massive 2,400 square foot workshop, and be in the highly sought after Lovejoy ISD? This is one of those properties you just don't find very often in Lucas, Texas. Hey guys, it's Amber Wilson, your North Texas realtor, and today I'm taking you into my newest listing here at 5 Orchard Road in Lucas, Texas. This home gives you that peaceful country feel while still being close to everything and have some great updates throughout, including a new roof, new gutters, new HVAC systems, fresh paint, and a completely updated upstairs. Plus, no carpet in the house. But wait until I show you what's out back, because if you need a space for your cars or your hobbies or a trailer, RV, toys, there's an incredible workshop that you're going to love on this property. All right, come in and let me show you around. Let's go check out this new listing in Lucas, Texas. Great covered front porch, beautiful views. You're situated on over 1.5 acres. It's very peaceful out here. We walk into the living room. Has steps down to this great space. Here's your stairs up to the second story. Let's go check out the primary and see what's on this side. So there's 2 full bedrooms downstairs. Great space here. All the floor is laminate or luxury vinyl plank. Here's the primary. Great lighting coming in. You have 2 split closets. So you've got a closet over here and a closet across the way. His and her closets. Okay. The shower has been newly renovated. They've got a standalone tub that has great natural light coming in. Lots of cabinet space here in the primary bathroom. And glass door, all new tile. Come out to the living room again. Great fireplace, great space to entertain and enjoy your family. The dining room, great bay window, letting in so much natural light. Closet for under the stairs. Let's go check it out. Great space. Here is the half bath that's downstairs. And then the kitchen. Walk into the kitchen and your pantry is on your left. Space for fridge,
New dishwasher, electric stovetop. Everything is electric in the house, and it is on septic. Great built-in over there, that bright green cabinet, and just all these windows for beautiful natural lighting. Okay, and let's check out the laundry room. Really big laundry room. Enough to have a refrigerator. That is the garage. And here's another spare closet for utilities. I mean, for whatever you want. And then this is the garage. Let's go check out the backyard. Look at this house has intercom system still. This was built in the 1983. So it's got some of the fun things still from the 80s. Great covered patio space, 2 ceiling fans up above, 2 entrances to get back into the house. And let's check out this backyard that you can do so much with. A lot of space for a pool, a backyard oasis. Do you like to garden? There's the gazebo over there. Do you hear all of the nature? It's just so peaceful out here. You don't hear the roads, cars, traffic, your neighbors. There's so much space. Okay, let's go up the stairs. Second floor has 2 bedrooms, a Jack and Jill bathroom, and a flex room. So it's gonna split here. We're gonna go into the office or flex room. Great lighting again. Kind of a utility room, sitting room. You're gonna come down here and you're gonna be able to go to the 2 other bedrooms. So we've got a really large space here, large room. Large closet. I'll show you the closet. Got a very big walk-in closet. And over here is kind of the Jack and Jill bathroom. And you've got a sink on this side. And then a shared bathroom space with the bathroom and the shower. And the shower is all renovated, new tile, new tub. And then over here, kind of that Jack and Jill, but each side has its own sink. Split, and then a closet, and then the other bedroom upstairs. Really a great size room with so much lighting. These beautiful built-ins. Overlooking the property out front. And here is another view, another angle. So you've got from the hallway, you enter here, and then also from the bathroom, you enter there.